better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tanisha. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please hit subscribe. In this video, I'm going to do my signature look. This is the look that I create mostly every time I go out and I have a gig to do makeup. This is a very classic and easy look for me, more of my staple look. I use one eyeshadow palette, I use one lipstick, one lip liner, no lip gloss because this is a long wearing lipstick. When I'm on a gig, I'm doing, could be 5 to 6 hours worth of work and I don't really have time to touch up myself. And I want to look presentable as well. Also, this foundation, this is a powder foundation, not liquid. And I still think it looks really good. So if you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. So loves, this is my final look. This is my signature look. This look doesn't really take me long to do, maybe like 20 minutes, 25 minutes maybe, if I do lashes. I don't always do lashes, but you know, depends on what time, you know, my gig is. I can throw some lashes on and be out the door. So I hope you like this look. If you have seen me, if you use my services and you watch my videos, this is the look that I usually do. I always have on this same lip. I love this lip. It kind of goes with my little heart. So I play off those colors. And yeah, this is something I like to do. It's quick, it's simple, and I feel like I look polished and professional. So if you like this look, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.